Are you considering Ally Bank for your financial needs? Wondering if it's a sustainable choice? Let's dive into the world of Ally Bank and explore its commitment to sustainability. In today's world, sustainability isn't just a buzzword, it's a crucial factor in our everyday decisions. As consumers, we're increasingly turning to businesses that align with our values, including ethical and environmentally responsible practices. So, is Ally Bank a sustainable choice? Let's break it down. Ally Bank's sustainability efforts. While Ally Bank doesn't explicitly advertise itself as a sustainable bank, it does demonstrate several practices that contribute to a more sustainable future. Here's a closer look. Digital-first approach. Reduced physical footprint. By operating primarily online, Ally Bank minimizes its physical infrastructure, reducing energy consumption and waste. Paperless transactions. Encouraging digital transactions and paperless statements significantly reduces paper usage and deforestation. Environmental initiatives. Green building certifications. Ally Bank has invested in buildings that meet LEED, Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, certification standards, promoting energy efficiency and reduced environmental impact. Renewable energy usage. The bank has committed to sourcing renewable energy for its operations, reducing its carbon footprint. Social responsibility. Community involvement. Ally Bank supports various community initiatives, including financial literacy programs and charitable donations. Fair banking practices. The bank strives to offer fair and transparent banking practices, avoiding predatory lending and harmful financial products. Customer education. Financial wellness tools. Ally Bank provides resources and tools to help customers make informed financial decisions, promoting sustainable financial habits. The bigger picture, banking industry's role in sustainability. While Ally Bank's efforts are commendable, it's important to consider the broader impact of the banking industry as a whole. Traditional banking often involves significant resource consumption and carbon emissions. However, the industry is gradually shifting towards more sustainable practices. Green loans. Banks are increasingly offering loans for sustainable projects, such as renewable energy and energy-efficient buildings. Impact investing. Some banks invest in companies that prioritize environmental and social impact. Sustainable finance frameworks. Banks are adopting frameworks like the Equator Principles to assess the environmental and social risks of their projects. The role of consumers. As consumers, we have a significant role to play in driving sustainable banking practices. Here's how you can make a difference. Choose sustainable banks. Opt for banks that prioritize sustainability and ethical practices. Demand transparency. Encourage banks to disclose their environmental and social impact. Invest sustainably. Consider investing in sustainable funds or socially responsible investment options. Educate yourself, stay informed about sustainable finance, and share your knowledge with others. Ally Bank, while not a perfect institution, is taking steps towards a more sustainable future. By embracing digital technologies, prioritizing environmental initiatives, and supporting community development, the bank is contributing positively. However, the banking industry as a whole needs to accelerate its transition to sustainable practices. As consumers, we can empower ourselves by making informed choices and demanding greater transparency from financial institutions. By working together, we can shape a more sustainable financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.